2 months ago, I spent 14 hours straight building my first dropshipping store. My eyes were burning, I had 32 browser tabs open, and I was ready to give up. Then I discovered something bizarre, an AI tool that literally built my entire store in 12 minutes. Not ChatGPT, not Midjourney, but something most dropshippers haven't even heard yet. What took me 14 hours of frustration now takes less time than ordering a pizza. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use this tool to build a complete store, branding, products, reviews, everything faster than you can watch this video. And the craziest part, it's completely free. And the 12-minute timer starts now. So once you click on the top link in the description of this video, or you can just search for buildaistore.com, you're gonna be brought to this page. First thing you need to do is put your email in, and then you're gonna hit access. You're gonna put your first name and your last name. Then you're gonna put in your phone number, and you're gonna create a password for your account. Once your password is created, just check I have read and agreed to terms of use, and you can hit access. This is the first step of the AI actually creating your Shopify store, and it's the part where you choose your store color. For this example, we're gonna go with green, and we're gonna hit done. Now it's time for us to choose our banners for our home page. We're gonna go with the free shipping option and also fair prices guaranteed, and we can hit done. This is the part where we create an account on Shopify. This AI tool will not work if you have a Shopify account already. I would just recommend creating a new Shopify account, because the way it works is it goes into a new store and creates a whole theme around with all the products inside that new Shopify store. So if you currently already have a Shopify store created, I would recommend either just canceling that store or just having both and see which one works for you better and which one gets you more sales. So just scroll all the way down and you can hit access Shopify. Here you're gonna enter your email, and then you're gonna hit start free trial. Now you're gonna create a password for your Shopify account. Just hit create Shopify account. You can hit save. Here I usually just say I don't want help setting up, and then you're pretty much good to go. Just go back to the AI store builder. You're gonna hit done. This is the part where you connect your Shopify store. So to scroll the way down where it says URL, you're gonna go back to Shopify. You're gonna copy the URL up here, go back to the store builder, paste it in, and you can hit save. Now it's time for you to configure the app in Shopify. So just scroll all the way down. You're gonna hit access Shopify app screens. You're gonna hit allow custom app development. Allow custom app development, and here on this screen you're just gonna hit create an app. For the app name, go back to the AI store builder. You're gonna scroll up where it says ecom express. You can copy this right here, go back to Shopify, paste in the app name. You're gonna hit create app. Once you hit create app, all you have to do is go to configure admin API scopes, and inside of here you're gonna have to check every single box inside this whole list. And I recommend you always checking the top box first, because whenever you check the top one, the bottom one also gets selected, so that's gonna save you a little bit of time when creating your Shopify store. So let me just do this really quick. And once you checked every single box, you can hit save, and then just hit install app. Hit install, and then you can go back to the AI store builder, scroll all the way down, and hit done. This is where you authorize Shopify integration. So just go back to Shopify under API credentials, and under this admin API access token, just copy this token. You just have to reveal it, copy the token right here, go back to the store builder, go all the way down, paste in the token, and hit save. This is the part where you activate the free trial on Shopify. So to scroll all the way down, you're gonna hit access Shopify plan screens, and opposed to Shopify's regular plan, which costs $39 a month, if you create your store using this AI store builder, it gives you Shopify for $1 for the first 3 months, and it also gives you Shopify free trial for the first 3 days. So you can literally test out this AI store builder for free for the first 3 days, and if you don't like the store the AI gave you, you can literally just cancel Shopify within 3 days, and it won't charge you a single penny. So all you have to do is put in your payment method. Let me just do this really quick. Once you put your payment method in, all you have to hit is subscribe, and here you have to add a business address. If you don't have a registered business address, you can just add your personal home address. That'll be completely fine. So let me just do this really quick. Now that we're done, we can go back to the AI store builder. We can hit check Shopify settings. It's gonna clear, and we can hit done. This is the part where you choose if you want to go with a free AI store theme, which I highly recommend, or if you want to go with something more professional where you're more down the line, you've got sales before with dropshipping, you're not a complete beginner, you can go with the premium theme, which is $97. For the sake of this video, we're gonna stick with the basic theme. So to scroll all the way down and hit I want the basic theme. This is the part where the AI actually goes inside your store and customizes it. All you have to do is hit customize my store, and this is where it adds the 20 winning products. Once again, all you have to do is hit add products to your store. And lastly, to publish your store, just scroll down, hit access Shopify to publish your store. You're gonna uncheck the password protection, and you're gonna hit save. Your online store is now open to everyone. And before we forget, we need to configure the checkout so people can actually purchase the products inside your store and Shopify can send the money to your account. If you don't configure the checkout, whenever somebody goes to purchase your product from your store, they're not going to be able to put their payment method. They're only going to be able to check out using PayPal, which is not going to work for your store. So make sure you configure the checkout. All you have to do is scroll down, hit Access Shopify. And once you're in here, you're going to go to Settings. You're going to go to Payments. And here you're going to activate Shopify Payments. Now, all you have to do is submit information about your business. So submit details and just go through all 4 of these steps, providing Shopify with all the information about you, your full name, your address, your social security number, your date of birth, and then you provide information about your bank account and how Shopify can actually pay you whenever you get sales in your store. And whenever you submit all your information, Shopify usually approves your account within a few minutes. And once you configure the checkout, just hit done. All right, your Shopify store is ready. So all you have to hit is Access My Store, and this is what your Shopify AI built store will look like. At the top here, we have up to 40% off for limited time only with a little timer. We have 3 pages, home, catalog, contact. We have our banner up here, fair prices guaranteed. We have our hero banner up here with a fair prices guaranteed. We have 3 collections, best offers, best sellers, and free shipping. We have the featured collections right here where you can select between best sellers and best offers. We have the offer of the day, which basically is a timer, and you can put what kind of offer you're running here to create urgency on the customers. So for example, when somebody goes to your website, they say, hey, it's 20% off, but for only 1 extra hour. So they're going to feel this urgency to purchase your product right away, and it's going to help your store convert. If you scroll down, we have the get up to 10% off where customers can submit their email to be subscribed to the newsletter where they can receive discounts, offers, coupon codes, whatever you want to include inside your newsletter. We have the free shipping banner down here with the free shipping, guaranteed purchase, secure payment, and fast support icons at the bottom of the Shopify store. And then we just have boring stuff like the policies and things like that. If we go inside our catalog page, we can see all the products the AI store builder has imported into our store. Let's say, for example, this envelope necklace. It's currently listed for $14.10. It gives you the free shipping and the location of where you're located. And it also tells you how long it's going to take until it gets to your house. You also have 2 benefit icons, so the 30-day warranty and the 7 days for exchange and returns. If you scroll down, we have the variant selections, the size. We have the buttons that move to make sure the customer sees the add to cart and the buy now button. And we have the products details section down here that the customer can open or close if they choose to. These product pictures are very good, shows all the different color variants, and it shows how customers can customize based on the font, based on things like that. Scrolling down, we have the related products section, recently visited products, and that's pretty much it. And mind you guys, this store is not 100% ready to go. It's like 95%. You still need a logo, you still need to pick a product for you to sell, and you need to make sure the website information is all good and accurate to your brand. So let me show you how you're gonna do that. So you're gonna go under products and you're gonna go add product. Here we're gonna upload new, and we're gonna upload some images of a product we got. So I uploaded all the images. We're gonna call this Cart Pro Portable Shopping Cart. We can hit save. I have a few images. Now if we go inside our store, we go inside catalog, we should see our Cart Pro right here. Yes, perfect. We can see it's sold out, and also the price is 0, says unavailable, does not look clean at all. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come here under description, we're gonna add some images so the customers can see what the product itself does. So let's add this one right here. And then we can align it straight. Just go down a little bit. Let's hit enter. Let's go down, hit enter, enter, enter. We're gonna add this image up here. And we're gonna scroll down. Down here, we're gonna click down here. We're gonna insert another image, and it's gonna be the safety brake right here. And then pretty much it, we can hit save. For the product price, we're gonna charge $79.99. Compare price, we're gonna put $149.99. Charge tax, we can remove this. Our cost per item, we get this product for around 25 USD, so we can hit save. And for inventory, we can keep track quantity on. Just make sure for available, you adjust, and I usually put just 500 and hit save. And then you can hit save. And it's saved automatically, so you're pretty much good to go. Go back to the store, You can hit refresh, and this is what the product page is going to look like. Of course, you can add more copywriting, more benefits to the product, but I'm just giving you an overview of what this might look like. And we also need a logo up here. And to change the logo of our website, we just have to go to navigation bar. We're going to go to logo on here to the right. We're going to click this. We're going to add our logo. And for the logo size, we can add 120 and we can hit save. And this is pretty much what our store is looking like. So we have our logo up here, up to 50% off in the timer. We have the little discount, the little loading, please wait. It actually shows how long the product is going to take to get to the customer's house. The thing is, we're open on Shopify. Whenever somebody opens your URL or the website on their phone, it's going to show them exactly how long it's going to take to get to them, which if you're a beginner, you might think doesn't really help your store, but trust me, it really helps your conversion rate because customers actually see the product is going to get delivered and they're not actually buying something that's a scam. And on mobile, this is what your catalog page will look like once your store is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and comment any questions you might have about the AI store builder. And if you want a more detailed video on how I set up Supplier, how I ship my products to my customers, and how I run ads to platforms like TikTok, Google, and Meta, just comment below. I want more, and I will bring you guys more content like this. And like always, my name is Leo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.